guys? Today we're finishing up the 300 and
Good morning.
good morning.
What time is it? What time is it?
It's currently 1:41.
Good morning.
Good morning. I got a lot of work done to 300 as you can see. I got everything back on essentially, and yeah, I didn't record much because it was very boring and I was just lazy to record. But yeah, we got time belt on, water pump, the tensioner I fucked around with.
Don't get it.
And Greg's a fucking whore. He's a slacker.
Don't get it fucked up. What does that say? Say it, Jeff. What does it say?
100,000 kilometers.
Other than the numbers, what does everything else say?
Nissan.
Everything else?
Kilometers.
You already know. That's JDM shit.
JDM shit.
Statistically speaking,
Are you recording me?
Good. It's leaking. Yo,
What's up, guys?
You cut off from this shit being disassembled to it being done, bro.
Alright, so
It's done.
it's basically done. Oh. So I got timing, I got the belts back on, I got everything back on. I didn't record anything. Just first startup. Hopefully the battery isn't dead. Hopefully I did everything correctly, you know? Got my good friend Keith over here.
I don't know what the fuck I'm doing.
Michael
Over
just
here fucking pouring fucking Kool-Aid in here.
Michael just observing.
Shit looks like some shit. That shit is NyQuil, bro. That shit looks disgusting. Why does that shit look way greener than my shit?
Alright. See Mikey struggle. 250 pound.
Beast, 250 pound unit. Make sure you take it out again.
Absolute unit. All right, go ahead. Start it.
Yeah, let's start this switch.
Boy.
Yeah, just let me get this. Oh shit, where's the key? Where's the key? Where's the goddamn key?
Where the key at?
Found it. Key. Ignition.
Is it first? I haven't turned it on.
Yeah, it should be ready.
Dang, go fucking back, bro.
Why is it not starting?
Dang, go fucking back.
Let the pump grind a little bit. Turn the key on now.
Wait, what's this right here? This sensor. Oh, wait.
Cam sensor?
Yeah. Plug it in. Look at us.
Wait, there's something in there.
Huh?
Oh yeah.
Come on, buddy. We know about cars too, buddy.
This ain't no fucking Duramax, but I can get it done.
I can get her done. All right, Jeff. What's going on? All right.
Alright guys, we dropped the 10mm bolt in cylinder 1 and proceeded to crank it over. And the whole thing's fucked.
Yeah, I feel like this cylinder 6 fucking spark plug's never been changed.
Why?
I don't know.
Didn't start over.
Start over.
Taking off the
Back
spark
to the way
plugs.
things were.
She Keith saying she a little flooded in there, so we're gonna have to
Okay.
let her dry her up a little
Get
bit.
a little sump pump up in there.
A little.
Suck that bitch dry.
We're gonna put some glass cleaner in
Just
there
like your
and
sister
wipe
did
it
to me
off with
last
the
night.
microfiber rag. No, we actually don't
No, you
understand what's
don't.
going
You
on.
bought it, motherfucker.
It's a coil pack. I don't look terrible.
When can we start doing like diesels on the channel?
As soon as you guys get diesel trucks.
We got diesel trucks.
As soon as you guys get diesel trucks, so we're gonna start today.
Alright.
He said he's gonna fund us for our trucks.
Can we put a fucking Duramax in the RSX? It like sucks on
Yeah, guys, I'm starting to love this car more.
Yo, the light is crazy.
You like that?
Yo, that's
You like that? Hold on. So, luckily, we went to O'Reilly's. He said, I want to get some new spark plugs. We're gonna see if they do up any good. How you feeling, Jeff? Updates.
Like a fucking $1,000,000, yeah?
I fucking hate this car.
Let's just tighten her back up in there a little bit, yeah?
Mm-hmm.
So, one time back in Nova Scotia.
If you guys don't know what this is Ireland.
I'm not Ireland.
Mexico hasn't got here yet. We gotta
Yo, Mexico fucking sucks. I hope you fucking post this on YouTube.
YouTube.
Everybody, put in the comment section, Mexico, you fucking suck.
Mexico, you fucking suck is crazy.
Not the country, just one individual person.
Which is
Gregory.
at Arvagon. Said he was gonna pull out
He fucking
4
misspelled his own
minutes.
name.
Arvagon? Yeah, it's crazy.
Fucking stupid.
Fucking stupid. Damn.
Yeah, do I have to remove this just to fucking get this shit out?
Probably not.
Try Can you,
You should.
snug it back in and then just...
Nah, like it feels like fucking it's cross-threading or something.
No, don't say that.
I'm saying that.
Cut the camera, cut the camera.
Cut the camera.
So like, how am I supposed to get this out?
I just fucking loosen those up and pull them up a little bit. Yeah? Why are you grunting? You right over there?
I don't get it. I don't get it, bud.
My fucking hat, you prick.
Shit's getting intense over here on the engine bay. What's up, guys? Great fucking news. The 300 is running. I didn't get the first startup because I was kind of pissed that I wasn't running, but turns out it was because I was fucking around with this. So I was reading around forums and people have similar issues, so they told me to take this off and then like play with the shaft, and then like turn it like clockwise, counterclockwise, like you're picking a lock, and you feel the injectors. And then I was like, screw it. Let me see if I start on the first injector, if the car will start up. So I was like playing with it until I felt the first injector tick, and then I set it, and then it starts. Let's see if I could start it up again. Car's been sitting for like 2 days after finishing timing. Right up. Starts right up. Timing's kind of rough, huh? I'm gonna need a timing light, but it's good. I don't know what the hell that sound is, so I'm gonna look, see what that sound is. The car's officially outside for the first time in a while. Shit's crazy. I just need to get a timing light to adjust the CAS and just adjust idle. Adjust everything on this car perfectly so it runs good. Yeah, I guess this is a new beginning right here. Fuck those taillights. JDM taillights on the way. I need more low. Freak this exhaust because it's ugly. Need to get the car registered. Plug these holes somehow for now. Yeah, fix the windows. The windows don't roll down. Yeah, one thing at a time, guys. This guy's fast. Yo, is this a Lancer?
Oh shit. Rally art, man.
Rally art? Sheesh. fresh. Yo, let me hear a two-step. You don't got two-step? Alright, let me hear something. Holy fuck, that's loud. Jesus Christ, dude. What it do, guys? You know, same old, same old. I need a timing light, but just did the PT relocation. It's not the prettiest with the zip ties, but it works. My boy DC Kevs is in the building.
Oh shit, you got two going on right now?
Yo, this guy's fresh.
Twin turbo, okay.
Hey, yo.
Okay.
Yo, let me get your Lancer engine.
D16?
Hey, yo. Let me get your Lancer engine.
Oh shit, no.
GT?
GTS.
GTS? Your boy Alan's in the car right now.
What?
He thinks he's in fucking Tokyo Drift.
You dressed it? You think you dressed it?
He's eating a banana. Hey, yo.
Oh,
Hey, yo.
I'm out. I don't know why y'all. Why y'all on, bro? Yo, cut this shit out, bro. I don't know why y'all on. Should always put on a seatbelt, boy.
Yo, this shit already feels rowdy, bro.
I feel like you might gun it as I go.
Slow ass driver. You thought he was gonna gun it? Holy shit! What the fuck? Yo, this shit puts you back. It's like a roller coaster. This guy's fucking fresh. Dude got a fucking pond. The Integra. Hey, yo. The Integra?
Integra, V6, turbo, no more though.
No more?
Yeah, I blew up my turbo. Like a 60 precision trim turbo.
Sheesh.
There's gonna be Alan's car soon.
This thing is steezy. Yo, turn the Integra to a drift, not a drift car,
That car?
no, a drag car.
Alright. Want to.
That'll be fresh.